Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to send money from PayPal to GCash. Now, if someone sends you money and you want to convert this to your country's currency, then what you're going to do is you go to PayPal balance and then tap this three dots here to convert your money to specific. For example, if you want to convert this to peso, if you want to convert this to US, everything is up to you. Now go to manage currencies and then click this PayPal balance again. And then let's just say if someone sent you USD and you want to convert this to PHP. So you just have to tap this at three dots and you will see there convert currency. After that, you have to enter the amount and then convert it. Then you will see your PayPal balance. Now you have to go to your GCash. If you want to send your PayPal to your GCash, all you have to do is to cash in your PayPal balance to your GCash. So first open your GCash here and then you have to go to your profile in order for you to link your PayPal to your GCash. So go first to your profile and then you see this My Link accounts and then look for PayPal, then link your PayPal to your GCash. So once you have linked your PayPal to your GCash, it's pretty easy. You just have to go to your GCash homepage and then click this cash in. After that, you have to look for PayPal. Please search for PayPal here. Since you have linked your PayPal, then you will see your PayPal balance here automatically. And all you have to do is to enter the amount and then click next. Wait for a couple of seconds. And then the money from your PayPal will be now available in your GCash. I hope this video helped you. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.